Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this.
Try to give me true love and need not search no more. Try to give me true love and need not search no more. And once I was like a wandering sheep on this Shaja lane, and with no one to love me, and with no one to care for me, and Jai shine his light. Jah make me feel alright. Try to give me true love and need not search no more. Try to give me true love and need not search no more. And many you try to keep down high and high. And but true Jah love, I always survive. Jah is the king.
Yes, I. Greetings once again to the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I first. In a seed. Welcome our viewers and subscribers. In a seed. Now viewers, if you like the substance, subscribe to the channel. Just press the subscription button and help us grow. You get me? Yeah. Big thank you in advance. See, now Natty from Portland now, and the whole affair with the voice note and thing like that. And it's not a voice note, you know. Sorry, the recording of Natty's conversation between himself and whoever he was talking to. See, now whosoever that person was. That person is the conspirator, if not the murderer, if not the person who actually pulled the trigger and killed Natty. You know, see it. I not support where Natty do. You know, see it. But neither am I supporting what the guy do. You know, see it. I mean, I explain. You know, so what I say. You know, see it. You see the guy will do it, more somebody explain to me and tell me how that work because that definitely sound like, I know how it sound when somebody say, for instance, if me put you up on a speaker, seeing, and I record you with a separate device, seeing, you hear the sound difference, seeing, but that sound like the recording, like it's a radio recording, like there is a radio station you call and them put the two sound together and it'll come through the speaker to you. You understand what I say? That sound like some professional equipment used for record the conversation on more than one occasion. You know, see it? And strong possibility. Well, the reason for the argument is that the person when you do it good at normally them equipment there are usually some high profile people have them in them resource. You know, see it, like for instance, you have a reach our radio station, you're in some communication technology, you know, see it, or you're a member of the police force and you use public resources for do such a thing, which would have eventually mean like so well like you use public resource to carry out all that crime, you kill a member of the public. You know, see, because bad man business that, you know, between Natty and where I'm going, they didn't get you involved somewhat, you know, see it. But again, because yeah, you know, it look away. You see it. Now them a call up a policeman name. It is being alleged that Stephen Williams, one named Saglade. Saglade are the one where them said up on the voice note. Where up on the record in Saglade record, Natty. You know see it. Well, yeah, Saglade, a corporal from Manchester police station. But this is what I say in regards to all of that. You know see it. You see, them phone conversation, and then again, Saga Ed Natty good at confident Saga Ed to a degree. You know, see, all of them look like one piece in a pod, because if you don't mind sharp, I don't on the seaside, Saga Ed get for know Natty. And Natty get for know Saga Ed. You know, see it? No, because Saga Ed asks Natty where the 2 stone there. See? So that means it's not a case like say Sagled really are in a much dealings with the area. You know see it. In the last part of one of the recording him ask some more clarity on the location. Even after the man sound like him didn't intend for go the police route. You understand where which in a most case to bad man should be a deterrent. You know see it, if a bad man you talk up on the phone and I tell him say I go to police in regards to the same project where I set them up for the work, for the mash up. But I tell you straight loud that you can't do that, I wait till after. Because if it's calling the police now, which it sound like a that, not here do I walk go straight to the police station. It's a strong possibility to say it will go hot up. And that bad man that should get show all of a concern with that and try either dissuade not if and go to the police at the moment or cut off Natty to complete and just know say Natty is an informer. You see, because Natty give them information for go rob something and I go call and I go give police, you know, red light now about another situation or possibly the same situation because Natty never did a whole but Natty say I go down to go tell them everything because a dangerous boy that him good him can kill him, can send man come kill him and them all them thing there, you know see. You know see, but the man who him talked up on the phone never seemed to have any form of concern with police getting involved or not. Because it's still not like him tell Natty not to go to the police station, him tell Natty say watch ya, the work and yes I know, so we say we still have to do that work there. You know see it. So it's not somebody who really concerned much about police involvement. Even up to the part, you don't see it. So, it leave me now, it kind of lead me back now to the whole notion, the whole allegation say, it's a policeman. I don't have no problem believing it's a policeman. You know. My problem is now is to ensure and make sure say Stephen Williams, upon the recording. You know see it? Sagled. From Manchester police station, them same as a corporal. You know see it? That is my problem. Because you know it's like voice note here, it's not a video you see. So you see how really say the thing. However, strong possibilities to the allegations are true. You know see it? So we don't really appreciate them level of policing there. From police and them think they cripple Jamaica with crime. You know see it? And like me I say, crime not just spur up and active and go on so you know and just blow up and be like there's no deterrent there, like nothing is being implied for even fight or prevent crime. You know see it? Cause when you have guys like them I will see this the opportunity in a way crime present. You know see it? And them are working on the police with the power of the police and things like that. It's a sad state. You know see it? Because now we shape our farm. Now, see, it's a strong possibility to say this police officer up on the phone. Because that's a police, I know a police up on the phone. I know him set up ratty. But I'm not sure if Stephen Williams. I'm sure the vice on the phone set up Natty. Me sure of that. Me don't want nobody come tell me that. You know see? I'm sure him a police too. You know see? So me I look on the facts of well then. How much gone now already this same police here assist them same man there where him tell about Natty. Cause I him go back to tell the man them make them kill Natty, you know. See how much time him assist them man have to bring in, how much gun on the island and how much police them gun they go to fire after and soldier or kill. You know see it? No, when them do all them things, then them should have be the first man dead from one of them gun there, you know. Yeah, man, and them should have be the first police dead from one of them gun there, man. You see it? I eventually even when I shot them, when them bring in, even if I was a different gun, it fire out a Rasta. You don't forget, yeah, man, police like, you don't forget a couple of them, man. You see it? How can I idiot thing that? No, disrespect to the man them where hustle them ganja and them thing, whichever. You know, see, for them more ganja for money, we say straight up, you know. Jamaica have so much space, man, where like 1 in 5 man have access to a gun, man, a firearm of some sort. Easily, man. You see it in Jamaica right here now, man. You know, that now. You see, they're not conducive to social development. You understand what I say? And the regards where the gun them are using again. You see, the Jamaica now gonna rate to dig itself deeper in a hole. The youth them too help dig it in a hole and I do politician them work for them free. You see, by destroying the place and crime up the place. So you have the place in a chaos. You see it, and politicians are benefit from it. I don't know, I can't do the maths, I don't know, I remember work it out for them. Foreign aid. Yeah? A big foreign aid, where they call it now, trigger. See? The crime rate, the people them want to kill and them things, make the government get foreign aid for fight crime. I don't say them not fighting a crime, so what do you think them are do with them money? They not come share up somebody we don't know and say, alright, keep doing all the harm and all. That even that them I do. Them boy I packet it for them never see nothing like this yet, you know. The things them a Jamaican bad man I do for politicians for free in Rasta, I tell you say, a serious money that a bad man get across the world for do them thing there, you know. You know see, and how are you with them down there like them never realize them position, them potential, them ability, them capital. You see, and I saw them thing they work, Rasta. And I saw them thing they work, man. Back way on have the thing, Rasta, some jokify thing now. You see, police responsible for police death, man. A police are responsible. You can't have police call into question them way there. You see, the man I call him squaddy in on the phone call and them way there. You see, it's a terrible thing, a dirty, nasty corruption that Rasta. No, you see, I either think that man. Nah, man, a police kill the police, them man. Police nothing really. You know see it. Yeah, you forgot go run wanted no and go up in the hills and go hide and then think you turn a real outlaw. Like what you always is. Be brave and go live the life where you for a minute. You know see it, the life your true nature. Go live your true nature for a minute, no? The police them come chase after you because he's an infiltrator. You see, he's an infiltrator amongst them who have possibly caused many of them lives. You see, because Natty to you, in this particular case, Natty I do all of your work for you. You see, Natty make your work so easy. You see, which is one of the biggest tragedy about this whole thing. Because whether Natty did I give you information, yes or no, figure solve a crime or rob, which sound like a rob, Ratty I said you go rob them and extract money from them, yes. See, you see, with your action now, where you do now, you see genuine people with genuine concern and genuine information for solve some serious, sick, twisted crime in the society, now have a fear of police, of passing or trusting, having confidence in the police, them way, because you have just proven that you work with a higher force. You have a bigger cause other than the service of the people like that are solving crime and preventing crime prevention. You know, say you have a higher cause, which is your personal ego, yourself, your selfishness. You have man of no honor was tarnished. The rest of few police in the force now will probably would have take certain information and act on them in the interest of the people. You see it, and justice. You see, you have tarnished that, you have damaged that to complete. You see, so police to deal with you. You for gonna leave your true nature for a month or so and make the rest of police force come hunt you down like Preke boy. You see, be brave, man. Be brave, whoever you are. Whether Stephen Williams, whether Sagled or not. Sagled sound like a wanted man name. That don't sound real much of a police-ish. You know, see it? Yeah. You know, see it? You have casted a further, you have darkened, further darkened the already existing shadow that exists over the Jamaica police force. You know, see it? Haunt the police force. You know, see it? And you're a disgrace. It's not acceptable. You know, see what I say? Them level the thing there and you know, people them deserve better, Rasta. You know, see it? The people them deserve better. You know, see it? You know, see it? You know, me can't understand that. No way, shape or form or a policeman would have do that. You know, see, there must have been a whole part of way where you yourself could have did work things and make Natty and him woman still alive. You know, see it? Well, like me I say, go down, you see a man go around, go kill them, go murder them. Good all you see man take the contract for murder them because of more money and to the way you operate, yeah, so with impunity because you make the vice note get out again, you know. You send it back to the boss or you gonna leak it, you know, business. I'm not sure no consequence of the crime them want to commit against poor people. Because I'm sure no say if I was an uptown youth, I probably the boss for the boat where could have exchange them in him back off and him wife willing to ask some question. Because him gonna be a man now, we have some other existing business, some legitimate business are going. You know, see, and for find him dead certain way, I go look shady and call for question and hope explanation and go on. You yourself probably would even carry out that category of criminal, you know. You know, see, you don't carry that level of execution the way you carry out pan Natty and him baby mother. Because you kill them whether you pull the trigger or not. You know, see it. You wouldn't do that. If you didn't get that information from a upper class man out of the upper class type of society, you wouldn't run the risk there and make them information they privy to the culprit. You'd have got act on them because you know the trouble and the crosses where it all costs you. If you act otherwise, you don't see it. But because the same level of consequence apply across the board for the ghetto man. You know, see it, all the ghetto people where most of the crime is being committed is gonna have any confidence in the police force when the police themselves are the biggest criminal. The police themselves are done. Remember back in the day a man got Jamaica, you know. A man left from England got Jamaica, you know. Go in the area, you know, see it. And there among some people, them little fair thing and thing like that, and then him go up on a little like you know, and then a little go check some other family and spend some time with them out of the area to like a week or so. See, so like when I go over Spanish Town, them over Spanish Town, you know, people them over there more established in the community. See, so it's like the dance for the community because so we spy stay, you know. And I say, like when I say, over Rockford, I stay, man, up at Oliver Road. I say, yo, I know them you out there, you know. Listen, it's a scenario, it's not Oliver Road, now I'm not for do Oliver Road, now Spanish Town. See? The man say, the Dan now say, I know them you out there, and them good. That's what I say, what you mean by good? No, I just come from foreign and dead with my family there. The man say, you know, you them up. I said, no, I'm not. I just come from foreign and dead amongst the family. I don't know say something that up. That's when I say, all right, you don't get the page yet. I said, no. The man said, no. Then what's up, book on phone over there. Phone Rockford. Nah, no, and I chat to the man up all over the road and I say, yo, what I go on? I said, come on, come over from foreign, live in a, where you live? Such and such a yard. Live in a such and such a yard. I say, yeah, we see him, yeah. Him come, what I go on? And someone say, nah, you know, say, we know him still, you know. At the link, our link, you know, and just I tell you, say, oh, but they say him there, amongst the island, must stay still. So I say, I know, say, I want to still. Someone say, hey, you know, say, page, I prepare for page him start. I page prepare for the boy in the car. Him just come by and him there, nothing to no man, no respect, nothing. Him just come to and I got to and yo, I cheat them, yo, John, I'm lucky in a dog. Saying, but you see, the biggest thing behind that is a policeman that done from Spanish Town attack to you know. It's a police youth that they done for the area where him call, you know, and attack about the youth, you know. You know, see, I tell you about working, active police. I can't hang out on mostly with the film crew. You see, and I probe and I observe the place. And I program a foreigner will come in on the place. Figure page him little more cars. Him not fall in at the extortion category. Him not show any much you know me I say? Yes, Rasta. You see it? Them things are not really acceptable. You see it? And when we have them things that go on, you know the desperate state of affair where the country in. You see it? The security force them in it for when you have people like them then in the security force, you have a vast number of them too. You see it? A couple months ago, one named Big Scratch and dead, I'm seeing the man them guy in funeral man and the amount of gunshot where the man them stand up. I find at the Skype and video is like you wonder if them man even care about getting caught. You know see it? You know see it? So really and truly it's a big uphill struggle they are try. You see, so that's why we have to reason to the youth, them know, so watch a man. A politician what can do for free, man, when the case won't do, man, it make it cheaper for the politician them. Don't build up the school, don't build up no hospital, don't fix up nothing because them claim so they don't fair use the money fight crime. I don't know them now fight no crime. You don't see no crime I fight. If no crime they fight. Realistic, you don't know so you couldn't come through and go through so much. There's so many ways where whole heap of things could have been done. Whole heap more things could have been done to prevent certain things from happening. You know, see, like for instance, we the world know say most of a gun for ganja thing are going from Haiti to Jamaica or from Jamaica to the rest of Caribbean, certain way. You know, see, whole heap more strategy. Youth and youth we are run on the boat, them and now go out there and come in, no so the police them not put in the effort. There's no challenge. There's no concern about bucking up on security forces or any form of deterrent coming or going of such. You know see, the youth them know that, so the youth them don't not too. You know see, it's easy man, if you have all a launch somewhere out in the water, the man we can observe a certain dimension of the coast, man, from a certain standpoint, without too drawn to. I not talk the big old drone that when I use bomb places in the world. I talk about the little beanie drone them with some camera upon it. And you watch it activity pan a little screen. You know see? Easy well have one of them the man send it out to spy your eye can see. You know see it and make it observe another 50 square mile a thing, and you watch what go on upon something like all this. You know see it, and anything you react to it quickly. I send something go nothing is being done, man. Nothing is being done in terms of fighting the whole struggle with them type of thing there. You know see it, and we can see say rather than fight it, the police assist it, Rasta. Police assist it, man, because by now Stephen Williams should have their GP. He should have in a secure cell at the maximum security prison in Jamaica. Because he's a dangerous man to even the every fabric of the security forces in Jamaica, Rasta. You know see it? The man discredited You see it? And put every other active member at risk, Rasta. You see it? We not have to observe them things, man. It's unforgivable, Rasta. It's unacceptable, we not, you see it? No, Jah. Big idiot thing there. You see it? Anyway, we give thanks once again. You see it? And I can never remember for stopping at the middle of the video and say subscribe. I can't do that. I going to have to go get something and just put it on the screen. You see? Well, I raise, and I just raise, and I just raise, and I don't remember nothing but subscribe thing. You come like say, well, then that would have to be part of the motivation or the concern why I want to attack. And really and truly, when we talk about a certain particular subject or something will affect us from within certain way, you see. And I just eat most of the energy inner. So I just eat. We are trying to communicate really and truly. I just desert the spirit, latch and latch on, you see. We have to write down subscribe somewhere and have it broken and see it and remember say subscribe. But again, you know, share, like, and subscribe, Rasta. And I give thanks. Rastafari.